How to change the admin in an Instagram group. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change the admin in an Instagram group. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Then, tap on the messenger icon in the top right corner. Now open the chat with the person you want to make an admin. Tap on their name at the top. Now tap on People. Then tap on the three dots next to their name. Finally, tap on Make Admin. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.